The library's public engagement initiative is an effort to get input from a cross-section of Fairfax County citizens about the public library's future. The public library is in a transitional phase where we are searching and about to name a new library director. And it's time for the library to develop a new strategic plan. So in order for the Board of Trustees to have some direction in the future of the library, we're looking to get input from Fairfax County citizens so that the priorities that the board sets for the future of the library meets the needs of all of Fairfax County. There are a lot of opportunities for people to provide feedback. There will be a web survey available for anyone to take part in, and a section of Fairfax County will receive some telephone surveys. In addition to that, we have had a series of focus groups, some public forums, advocacy interviews, and stakeholder interviews. We're such a diverse county that we would love to hear from people from all walks of the county. Everyone from teenagers to educators, cultural leaders, business leaders. We're really seeking everyone, whether you use the library a lot or you're a non-library user, we're interested in your feedback. Anyone interested in more information can go to the Fairfax County Public Library's website and search under Citizen Outreach Efforts.